I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin comments to your Instagram post. First, we'll open up Instagram and go to our profile by clicking the icon on the bottom right. Then we'll load any random posts, and I'm just going to do this old one that I used for my last video here, which is the hard summer post right here. Now we'll open up all the comments by tapping the comment icon right there under the post. And let's say I want this particular comment to be the one that I pin. So all you're going to do is you can either tap and hold on the comment, at least on iPhone where it has that 3D touch. You'll tap and hold and then press down even further. And then you'll get these options and you'll just click the top one, pin. It'll make sure you can confirm this. You can pin up to 2 comments. We'll click pin. And now you can see right there on the top, this is the pinned comment and it will always appear at the top of that post.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.